On January 15, 1919, an unusual and catastrophic disaster struck Boston, Massachusetts, known as the Great Molasses Flood. At around 12:30 p.m., a massive storage tank filled with over 2 million gallons of molasses ruptured, releasing a tidal wave of thick syrup that rushed through the streets at an estimated speed of 35 miles per hour. The enormous wave, nearly 25 feet high, swept away everything in its path, including buildings, vehicles, and tragically, people. The disaster led to 21 fatalities and caused numerous injuries, leaving the city reeling in shock.